Moreover, they have a ton of energy and love running about for no reason. They're like a dog running on some turbocharged batteries. However, they're not the best listeners, which poses an issue since they have a strong set of jaws and need to be naughty all the time. Some folks see these dogs as athletic and affectionate family pets. Training them at a young age is the only way to tame them, otherwise they can get too much to handle. Number 10. Akita. The Akita is not a dog for amateurs. These dogs are always looking to be the leader of the pack, no matter where they are. Since they were bred to be very strong and dominant, they can get very territorial. In cases of confrontations with other dogs or uninformed people, whether the Akita is the aggressor or not, it usually ends up being blamed. Moreover, they can weigh up to 100 pounds, which combined with the fact that they're extremely awkward with strangers, just leaves you with a recipe for disaster. If you get an Akita, forget about ever bringing a new member to the family because these vigilant creatures will make sure they run far away. Moreover, they react very aggressively when anyone gets close to their food. Luckily, proper training and socialization make them softer and more adjustable to strangers.